I think I want a Roadie. This Roadie, what were you thinking about? Today, we're going to review the biggest update Insta360 have ever pushed out in 2021 on the ONE X2 and ONE R. That's including the Roadie and loop recording. And they're specially designed for car driving related 360 video and motorsports. And we are also going to review some of the accessory to go with this camera, this setup, to help you to capture some of the amazing car 360 video. And also 2 brand new Shotlab effects. You try to get some Roadie? Let's dive right in. Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Hugh here from Creator Up. I am actually very busy today. I'm driving on set right now in another very big commercial shoot. NDA can't tell you what we are doing, but we are rigging 2 red Komodo in VR 180 sandwiched into a expensive car and do a very crazy stunt scene. I am driving on set right now, and filming me is the Insta360 ONE R, actually using the brand new car view with the Roadie, and my GPS is talking over me, obviously, because I don't know where I'm going. I always rely on GPS. So, and we're gonna review right now is the Roadie. It's a remote controller right here on my driving view, and I hit one time and record video and hit the center button, and right now you see that view that I can see the car in front of me, and you see PSCA, the really funky license plate car in front of me, and you can see me talking. So you can do something like the fun car karaoke thing, and you probably see on YouTube, or maybe you interview somebody driving in a car, or maybe you're Uber driver, you have some like try to capture some fun moment of your Uber passenger. And
at the light, use the right lane to merge onto I-10.
Turn right here. Let's see if you can make it. That's totally running a red light. Well, man, I'm running late on set already, so I had to hurry up. There's a call sheet, and I supposed to be there like 15 minutes ago.
Use the right lane to take exit 3A to merge onto I-405 north towards Sacramento.
Okay, I-405 north. So I'm actually pretty lost right now. Yeah. So I need to get on I-405 and then head down to Hollywood somewhere. So yeah. So yeah, you can have like a whole interview series, like putting your friend in your passenger seat, and then you see them, and then or people in the back seat, and you can film them as well. Again, the exposure you probably want to expose inside instead of outside, so you see better inside and outside. Why am I exploring outside? Because I'm also doing a time shift. So another new feature come with the Roadie is a 6-time time shift. You can hit a button and you can start time shift right there, and I'll demo you later. So if the time shift now is burned into the camera, it's already time shifted already in the video 6 times, so you can feel like longer with the same SD card. So it will save you a lot of storage instead of just filming a regular video and you do a time shift later in post-production. It's a great feature. You can also do loop video. It's also right here. You can enable it. Loop video is another great feature that if you don't have a big SD card but you want to capture both you and in front of you, and in case you crash something, you hit something, or somebody hit you on the car, this is a really great dash cam because it captures all 360 around, so you know what is going on. So when you go into a lawsuit, like if somebody hit you and people try to say, oh, you hit me instead, and you have video evidence to prove to them that, yo, no, you hit me. And I'm telling you, in LA, driving is crazy. The traffic is insane. A ton of accidents. It's good to have a 360 dash cam that can protect you legally, so you can use this video evidence to protect yourself. Again, now the audio is actually really bad because I captured directly from camera, so I'm sorry about that. Make sure that everything's logged. But yeah, that is a very other reason, that is practical reason that you want a 360 camera like the ONE R or ONE X, and with the Roadie feature, so you can, let me don't hit anybody.
In 2.7 miles, take exit 57A onto Sunset Boulevard.
Okay, I'm going to Sunset. Wow, giant truck right there. Yeah, I'm talking about it. The traffic is crazy, right? Los Angeles, oh my God. People drive like a maniac. That guy literally is not his lane. He just cut me right there. It's no lane. So yeah, Los Angeles. So talk about loop video. So what is a loop video? Loop video is allow you to keep recording infinitely. So basically you record 5 minutes and then if nothing happens, say interesting, you continue recording on top of that 5 minutes you just recorded. So basically overdub in the video until you get something cool or until you have an accident. You hit stop recording. Now you have that session that like the action you want to capture, now you capture in the camera. So you don't need to like waste storage space and waste editing time in post to find that perfect moment. You just capture the perfect moment and you know it. Because if you do action sport like snowboarding, skydiving, motorsport like motorcycling, like all this crazy action sport, you never know what is the perfect moment to capture.
Exit 57A onto Sunset Boulevard.
Okay, Sunset. You never know like what is the good time to capture the perfect moment. And when you have that moment, your camera's not on, it's not running, and you miss that moment. That's annoying, right? But you want to save storage because storage is expensive. Let's put it that way. So that's why loop video allow me to record looping the whole thing, right? So you will just only stop capturing when you capture that moment. And that is also a great feature for a dash cam. And then the last feature, you just take a picture, you take a 360 picture directly with the Roadie. And then the middle drive button allow you to like turn on and off the view, the special car view that you can do car karaoke or the interview thing. So yeah, that's Roadie. So now I'm gonna really turn on the time lapse, the time shift, to test out the time shift for you, and we drive all the way to Sunset onto the movie set to build our car for our crazy stunt Hollywood production. By the way, look at in front of us. It's a beautiful classic California palm tree driving through the road. It's very beautiful. It's sunset right now. I love it. Shotlab. Yeah, 2 new Shotlab on this new firmware, and I will show you. I will actually show you the car rig and how to create that as well. And that next video, let me just turn back on that fancy car view so you see what's going on. So what else we want to talk about on this brand new update? So this update comes with a lot of fancy like rigging. So I will review this rigging for you right now. On it is the PGYTech ONE Suction Cup. Is probably the best inside camera rigging for ONE R and ONE X2 or any action camera or any 360 camera because it's so solid, so easy to use. You just need to like put it in, hit the button, and it's solidly rigging on my windshield. So I can have this fancy car talk, car karaoke with you, the audience. So this is amazing. And then by the way, this is the Japanese market that I always buy grocery from because I love Asian food. It's hard to find Asian food in California, and this is the grocery that I always go to. We are in Pico Boulevard, and it's a really famous boulevard that a lot of movies shot on Pico. What else? Oh, there's a Teddy Cafe. So this road is called Bundy. So that road, this road I'm on right now is called Bundy, and that is Teddy Cafe. Actually, let me just turn on. Teddy Cafe on Bundy. So I usually just tell people that, oh, we are going to Ted Bundy. It sounds creepy, but that is a Ted Cafe on the Bundy Road. So combined together called Ted Bundy. So it's crazy. Let's go ahead and turn back to this view so you can see my face. So yeah, I'll just give you a quick tour around my house, and that is how you can use Roadie. You can use it for like realistic tour with your customer. Just drive around and show them the surrounding, and it's really important. Like if you're buying a house, knowing your surrounding is very important. Like Santa Monica, in this area, every house is so expensive.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Palm Boulevard.
Thank you, GDS. So now we're gonna have the tutorial to teach you how to correctly do the brand new feature called horizon flip. So this need to mount onto the car, right? You can use your back window right here and extend it as far as possible. So here is some consideration. First, I have this Unite Z rigging right here, so I can turn this into a, turn it out here into a 1/4 inch screw hole right here. And I have, you can use any monopole, but I recommend to use the Bushman because it's more sturdy and actually can go higher as well. So and for this effect, you want to get the camera go as high as possible. So now we're just gonna screw the camera 1R into it, lock it pretty tight. Make sure it's tight right here. And then the most important thing that you should have, you can have any rigging you want, you have the ONE X2 here too, is actually this part is a 3-section mount right here. Again, tie this up all the way in here. And then we're gonna have this PGYTech 3-section mount onto the back of the car, and you want to extend that like so. And this is probably the best section car mount for action camera. So we're gonna get some water in the back window because it's pretty dirty. Here, make sure I have some water in. Right here, we want to lock down as high as possible with the car. So we'll lock it, layer 1, layer 2, oopsie, layer 3. So when you extend, it's actually get a pretty much weight onto the setup, but you don't need to go actually like that, like 45 degrees. You can actually go vertically. It still look good for the horizon fit. So actually, if you go vertically, it doesn't put too much strain on this whole section. So it's actually safer. So that's what we recommend. So go ahead and mount this thing on the back of your window. So this all is a ball mount. So it's actually really easy to push one in, lock it. Push the second one in, lock it, push the third one in, lock it, and this thing is like really sturdy on it now. So now you're just loosen this thing up, this section up, and then position it to point it on top, like so. Make sure the camera is pointing it that way, right? Like that. Okay, like that. Vertically, like so. I will try to get this as vertical as possible so it doesn't give too much strain on the arm, the ball head, so it will not fall down, like so. And then get it as tight as possible. Yeah, pretty tight. And then you can go ahead and drive around with it. And yeah, let's go drive around. How's it look, the back? Is it good?
It's fine. Just go.
Thank you.
Oh, no! No! Broke off. It broke. This thing is trash. Throw it away.
It broke?
Yeah, it's trash. Throw it away.
Oh, this snap.
Yeah, it snapped. Throw it away. I saved your 1R, by the way.
Really? That's what I need you.
I saved your 1R. It was about to crash on the ground.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. Thank you, Kitty, for saving my 1R. So, okay, don't use this thing.
That was a major fail. Not the first time either. Remember that time in Joshua Tree?
Yep. Yep.
You should cut to that in the Okay. Okay.
Okay.
All right, throw it away, Hugh. Throw it away. Put it in the trash. Take your 1R off first. Don't forget to take your 1R. Throw that shit in the trash.
Trash this thing.
Yeah, let me see you throw it away. Boom. Recycle. Bye.